What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV Daily. Let's get into the tech news. First story is about the OnePlus 7 Pro, not to be confused with their OnePlus 7T, which is a slightly lesser version than the OnePlus 7 Pro. And it looks like the OnePlus 7 Pro, some of the configurations are on sale right now. On their website, they're showing that the 8GB model with 256 gigabytes of storage is $50 off, so you can get that for $649. You can get it in the almond, in the black, and in the blue. The 12GB 256 is not on sale. It's still $749. So you're saving 50 bucks if you end up buying a OnePlus 7 Pro, but that's not just it. I have a link down below. It'll save you an additional $10. And yeah, so if you want to pick it up, you can save an additional, you can save what, 60 bucks on a OnePlus 7 Pro. Link down below. Yes. And the last story of the day is about AT&T Unlimited. They came out with, or they're coming out with 3 new unlimited plans that should be launching on November 3rd. So the 3 unlimited plans are Unlimited Starter, Unlimited Extra, and Unlimited Elite. Unlimited Starter is gonna be $35 per line, up to 4 lines, and then $65 for a single line. Included in it is unlimited data, talk, text, I think I said all that, in the US, Mexico, and Canada, so that's pretty nice. And there shouldn't be any specific data caps in terms of slowing you down, but seemingly there's no data caps of any sort. The speeds may be throttled though in a congested network. The next one is Unlimited Extra, which you get everything that's included in the starter pack, plus 15 gigabytes of mobile hotspot per line, 50 gigabytes of guaranteed high-speed data for $40 per line, up to 4 lines, or $75 for a single line. Now, the difference of 50 gigabytes of guaranteed high-speed data versus the starter plan is the starter plan, they could, at any time, if you're in a congested area, slow your network down. The extra, you're gonna be guaranteed at least 50 gigabytes. The Unlimited Elite gets you everything that's in starter and extra and more, guys. So first of all, you're going to get 100 gigabytes of unthrottled data versus 50 and 0 on the other 2 packages. Also, you're gonna get 30 gigabytes of mobile hotspot data versus 15 and 0 on the previous packages. And $50 per line, up to 4 lines, or $85 for a single line. But that's not it, guys. You're also gonna get HBO, and then come May 2020, you're also gonna get HBO Max. Probably asking me, what is HBO Max, Greg? Well, it's not out yet, and what it's going to be a competitor to Netflix of sorts, and it's gonna have included in it a bunch of IPs or companies that AT&T owns that are media companies. I know TNT is one of them, I believe Cartoon Network, HBO. There's a bunch of companies they own that you might not even realize, and they'll all be on this network that you can watch for free, TV shows, and it's included in that plan. So not a bad deal, I guess, if you're looking to cut the cable and go digital. Other than that, guys, that is the news for today. If you didn't see my video, I did release a new video. These are actually really cool. They are the Echo Buds. Amazon makes these. They just came out. They're wireless, true wireless earbuds, and they are definitely to be checked out. Watch the video because I think you'll be kind of surprised and shocked. I know I was. Thanks for watching. Your question of the day is, what, if any, are your favorite true wireless earbuds, or you don't care about them, or are you interested in getting some? And I don't know, let me know in the comments down below. If you're interested in any, definitely watch the video on these. I think it's gonna pique your interest for sure. Thanks for watching. See you down the road. Peace.